The Olympic Coast is home to 4 coastal treaty tribes. The people of the Quinault Indian Nation and of the Makah, Ho, and Quileute tribes have lived along these shores since time immemorial. The livelihoods, traditional foods, and cultures of these indigenous communities are deeply rooted in this place. Olympic Coast tribes are highly dependent upon fish, shellfish, and other marine resources for their cultural, social, and economic well-being.
Manila clams, horse clams, crab, gooey duck, fish, crab, razor clams. They're all important to all of us out here.
Many of these species are what we think of as cultural keystones. That is, they're centrally important to tribal community life.
The razor clams, those are a big part of our lifestyle, both as a food and as a source of revenue. Very few job opportunities, so this offers tribal members an opportunity to go out and supplement their income. But some of these guys can make some really good money on just one clam tide.
I mean, I'm an elder myself, but I still dig pretty good. I could probably dig 100 and some pounds a day if I on a good day.
But their continued access to these resources is at risk as the chemistry of our ocean changes. Ocean acidification is making the ocean less hospitable to many sensitive marine species upon which the tribes depend, and its effects are being felt more dramatically on the Olympic coast. From above and below, human and natural sources of CO2 are pushing the Olympic coast marine ecosystem towards biological thresholds.
The outer Olympic coast, it's got more species, or arguably more species, of marine invertebrates and seaweeds than any other place on the west coast of North America. And those biota are at great risk to OA, to ocean acidification, as we go into the future.
These animals are continuously exposed to acidified conditions and then sometimes hit by this hammer of low oxygen conditions that can really be this 1-2 punch they can't escape from.
The West Coast is going to possibly see significant pH problems quicker than other areas, is also extremely troubling.
Concerns with ocean acidification for the Makah tribe are really significant because there are some resources that folks just couldn't comprehend being without. And if you're saying that we can't take our food from the sea, it seems impossible. Most Makahs cannot remove themselves. We're inextricably linked to the ocean in that way.
The Quinault Indian Nation depends upon its coastal resources as they have for millennia, and anything that's out there lurking in the water that could be impacting those is of deep concern. What we don't know is the scariest part. What we do know is frightening.
The social, cultural, and economic impacts of ocean acidification are really unknown, except for by the people who are already experiencing it, and it's their stories to tell.